explain how we make cheese here in Holland. After my explanation, you can try a variety of cheeses in our cheese shop. In the morning, we're putting our milk in this container and we heat the milk about 29 centigrades. This is a very important centigrade for the liquid, the rennet. In the old days, we used this rennet. This comes from the animals, but now we use microbiolic rennet that's made from the plants. So our cheese is 100% vegetarian. After 30 minutes, the milk is thick, so thick as a pudding. And we're going to cut the thick milk by 3 special knives that you can see in the mirror. By cutting the thick milk, we separate it in whey and curd. 90% is whey and 10% is curd. We don't use the whey. Some of us drink it. It's very good for your health. I drink it too. Look at me. I'm 55 years old.
Whoa.
I'm just kidding, 24. We put a curd in this 1 kilo pot. And we put this under the press. So the last whey is coming out so all the curd can stick together. After 4 till 5 hours under the press, we put the cheese in the salt water bath. The salt water bath is 20% salt and 80% water. This is very important for the salt taste of the cheese. After 24 hours in the salt water bath, we dry the cheese. We also put a special wax on it. This wax is also very important because you can keep our cheese 4 months inside the refrigerator or 2 months outside the refrigerator. When we dry the cheese, it's 4 or 5 weeks for young cheese, 6 till 7 months for middle-old cheese, and 1 year or longer for an old cheese. This cheese is 3 years old. Actually, that's very hard. If you do not like cheese, just bore 3 holes in it. You can also use this bowling ball. The taste of the cheese is very salt, very strong taste. Very nice combination with dry red wine. We make different kinds of cheese in Holland. We make Gouda cheese. The red is the natural. Green is the herbs and garlic. Yellow is the pepper. Brown is the fenugreek. Fenugreek is a seed from India. It tastes a little bit like nuts. The other green is the pesto cheese. Then we also have this cheese. This looks a little bit like a sausage. This one is called smoked cheese. We have this one in 4 different types. The natural cow smoked cheese, the goat smoked cheese, the cow smoked cheese with herbs and garlic, and we have a new type, and that one is with jalapeno. It's a spicy one. This is how we make the cheese. I showed you how we slice the cheeses. We are a small country, but we have 2 great inventions. The slicer and the grater. First show you how the slicer works. You can try this cheese also in our shop, so don't be jealous, you don't get a piece to try now. I showed how the grater works. Very handy for spaghetti, macaroni, pizza, carrots, and potatoes. This was my explanation. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.